you for tuning in to AGrader. Here's what to expect. Today we have with us an experienced math curriculum writer, Miss Jennifer, who will share with us what the Primary 1 student will be learning for math in October. So Jennifer, what are they learning this month?
Okay, in October, P1 students will be doing picture graphs. So students will have to read and interpret the data from the picture graph, and the picture graph can be in vertical form or horizontal form.
Okay, what would be the concepts tested then?
Okay, students will learn terms such as most, least, greatest, smallest, as much as, or as many as. Questions will ask how many more, how many fewer, what is the total. This is similar to what they have learned in the topics numbers to 100.
Okay, can you highlight some of the common mistakes?
For picture graph, the common mistake made by students will be looking at the wrong data to answer the question. So, for example, we can tell them to count and write down the number on the respective data on the picture graph, so that they will not miss out or be confused with what is the question asking for. Highlighting keywords in the question also help to reduce careless mistake. So we will look at one example over here. So the picture graph given will be without the one in the red markings. So we get children to count first and write down, for example, there are 7 lions, 10 goats, and 4 bears. So they write it down beside the words lion, goat, and bear. Then for their question, like for example number 6, if they ask most children like the, so most children, we will get them to highlight most, then they will compare and they will get the answer goat. The other one is how many more kind of question. So we get them to highlight how many more, we get them to highlight the data, which is the lion and the bear. Then from the graph itself that they have already count and labeled, the lion will be 7 and the bear will be 4. So how many more? We will look at the difference of 7 and 4, that will give us 3.
Okay, so as this is the last video of the year, do you have any challenging questions to share with us?
Yes, let's look at one concept that is often tested all the way up to P6, but of course the level of difficulty will be different. So at P1, pictures will be given to help students to answer the question. So for example here, Sally has 6 hair clips, Terry has 10 hair clips. How many hair clips should Terry give to Sally so that they will both have the same number of hair clips? So for P1, like I mentioned, there will be pictures given. So as we can see, Sally will have 6 and Terry will have 10. So the tip here will be to find the difference and then divide it by 2. But at P1, they have not learned how to divide, so we let them look at the picture, and the difference will be, we circle 4 and share this equally. So if 4 is to be shared by these 2 girls, that will give them 2 each. So Terry should give Sally 2 hair clips.
Okay, great. Thank you very much.
To watch more of such videos and information to help your child improve and learn ahead of others in school,
visit our website www.agrader.sg, click on this button, fill in your email address, and receive all these useful videos straight in your inbox for free.
as well as the latest in promotions, so that you don't lose out on great deals with AGrader Learning Center.